Yeah. Sebangifadela amagans benza vele ngathi abazi ngena ngihodula amagasi hate athatha umhlala phansi trip ivuza ngathi amanzi buka kugcina kunemvula kusho kuvuma nabaphansi funa iganza njengoZuma. I'm just saying bro, I'm just I'm just saying bro. Yeah ay sibela kudala ngibakhaba ngikhipha le flow ngamakhala qedi badida amakhanda feleza ngikhinya lentwana sezimela ukushisa ngisama ngigandaganda ngiyaganda gcwala mengidwadla bagwala mina nguthiza madala ngibafaka isikela abashana abafuna ukugela yafana mangikhwela phezu kwemic inhloko lesibeat ngephanga mekuqeda ngishintsha amagama from vernacular to singana. Tell me if money don't know the talking how to broke man speak. If you're not watching hustle music, how you claiming you sick? If you're not stacking all the DBs, how you chasing a bitch? Funny niggas always trying to diss. Feel it to grade A if you sell on the beef. Bitch, I'm a demigod, ready or not, with me or not. Still I'm gonna pop, tight as a knot, others they not. Mostly rappers rock, beast on a hunt, not for a cut, this is renaissance. Revolutionary shit. Hop in the booth, ready to shoot. Niggas are wick and cold as flu. Beast in the booth, tell you the truth. Punch you, make you lose your tooth. I'm just saying, bro. I'm just